Most people spend their entire lives trading their most precious asset, time, for a steady paycheck, never realizing they've fallen into a carefully crafted trap. A salary is essentially the bribe they give you to forget your dreams. It provides just enough comfort to keep you coming back every Monday, but never enough wealth to truly set you free. In the world of high-level finance, this is known as the golden cage. You aren't being paid for your value. You're being paid to stay quiet, stay obedient, and stay in line. Today, at the Wealth Lab HQ, we are breaking the silence and decoding the blueprint behind the 9-to-5 trap, and more importantly, how you can finally escape it. The trap isn't just about the money you earn. It's about the money you're programmed to spend. Every time you get a raise or a bonus, the system nudges you to upgrade your car, buy a bigger house, or subscribe to a more expensive lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation. It's a psychological treadmill designed to keep your bank account at zero, no matter how high your salary goes. At the Wealth Lab HQ, we've observed that the majority of the working class is just 1 or 2 missed paychecks away from total disaster. You aren't building wealth. You're simply financing a more expensive version of poverty. Governments and central banks have a silent partner in your 9-to-5: inflation. While you work 40 hours a week for a fixed amount of currency, the value of that currency is being diluted every single day. Furthermore, earned income, your salary, is the most heavily taxed form of wealth in existence. You are working the first 4 months of every year just to pay the government, while the top 1% use corporate structures and assets to pay almost nothing. If your only source of income comes from a W-2 or a monthly paycheck, you're fighting an uphill battle against a system that is mathematically rigged to devalue your time. So, how do you unlock the door to the golden cage? It starts with a fundamental shift in strategy. You must stop being a consumer and start becoming an owner. Wealth isn't found in a paycheck. It's found in assets that produce cash flow while you sleep. The formula is simple but disciplined. Buy back your time by investing in stocks, real estate, or scalable digital systems before you pay for your lifestyle. The goal isn't to be the hardest worker in the room, it's to be the owner of the room. Remember, a job is a temporary solution to a long-term problem. It's time to stop building someone else's empire and start founding your own.